The kwacha is the currency of Malawi as of 1971, replacing the Malawian pound. It is divided into 100 tambala. The kwacha replaced other types of currency, namely the UK pound sterling, the South African rand and the Rhodesian dollar, that had previously circulated through the Malawian economy. The exchange rate of the kwacha undergoes fixed periodical adjustments, but since 1994 the exchange rate has floated. In 2005, administrative measures were put in place by Bingu and Mutharika to peg the exchange rate with other currencies. Banknotes are issued by the Reserve Bank of Malawi. In May 2012, the Reserve Bank of Malawi devalued the kwacha by 34% and unpegged it from the United States dollar. Etymology: the name kwacha was first used in Zambia, where the Zambian kwacha was introduced in 1968. It derives from the Chinyanja or Kikuwa word meaning it has dawned, while tambala translates as rooster in Kikuwa. The tambala was so named because 100 roosters announced the dawn. History: the kwacha replaced the Malawian pound in 1971 at a rate of 2 kwachas to 1 pound. As of September 1, 2015, 1 British pound sterling was equal to approximately 858 kwachas, $1 was equal to 560 kwachas and 1 South African rand was equal to 42 kwachas. Coins. The first coins introduced in 1971 were in denominations of 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20 tambala. In 1986, 50 tambala and 1 kwacha coins were also introduced. In January 2007, 5 and 10 kwacha coins, which actually bear a mint date of 2006, were also released into circulation. In 2012, new 1, 5 and 10 kwacha coins were released into circulation. The 1 and 2 tambala coins are composed of copper-plated steel. The 5 tambala coin is of nickel-plated steel. The 50 tambala and 1 kwacha coin are composed of brass-plated steel. Banknotes. In 1971, banknotes dated 1964 were introduced in denominations of 50 tambala, 1 kwacha, 2 kwacha and 10 kwacha. 5 kwacha notes were introduced in 1973 when the 2 kwacha note was discontinued. 20 kwacha notes were introduced in 1983. 50 tambala notes were last issued in 1986, with the last 1 kwacha notes printed in 1990. In 1993, 50 kwacha notes were introduced, followed by 100 kwacha in 1993, 200 kwacha in 1995 and 500 kwacha in 2001. As of 2008, the following banknote denominations are in circulation, according to an article in the Nyasa Times dated March 9, 2012. Within the next 6 months the Reserve Bank of Malawi will introduce a whole new series of notes, including a 1,000 kwacha note, twice the largest denomination currently in circulation. The notes were announced in Blantyre on March 8 by Governor Dr. Perks Ligoya. The new notes will be much smaller in size than the current notes, which serves as a cost-cutting measure. The new 1,000 kwacha note is to be printed by Dolaru. On May 23, 2012, the Nyasa Times reported that the Reserve Bank of Malawi introduced the new 1,000 kwacha note into circulation along with the proposed new notes. The new 1,000 kwacha note is valued at around $4. The new kwacha has the face of the first President Kamuzu Banda on the front and the black carries a depiction of MZUZU maize silos. On May 23, the new 20 kwacha note contained an error. On the back of the note is a building identified as the Damasi Teachers Training College. However, it is reported that the building is in fact the Makinga Teachers Training College. The Reserve Bank of Malawi will revise its new family of notes so that they are more blind-friendly. According to the Malawi Union of the Blind, the current notes have raised dots to aid in recognition of the denominations, but the dots are too small to be useful. References